Well, hi there, my heart centric friends. Have you ever joined a challenge and when you began, you were so excited and you felt really confident that you were going to fulfill it? Well, that was me. And I'm in the middle. Actually, I'm at the beginning of a 30-day challenge. And that challenge is to post 30 videos on YouTube, one each day through the month of September. I had great plans and I've been doing pretty well for the last several days until today. There were a number of things that went on that prevented me from doing the kind of recording that I wish to do, which is more about training. But it is what it is. So what have I learned from it? I've learned one, that you can't beat yourself up when you don't accomplish something. Because even though this isn't exactly the way I wanted to proceed today, I'm still recording. I'm still going to post this and I'm still proud of myself. So what's the takeaway? Never give up. Find a way to achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. And when it comes to learning about AI and discovering about AI, that's the same thing. Never give up, even if you only take baby steps. So I'm hoping that you watched yesterday and you actually decided to log in and create a prompt or start a conversation with AI. Today, because I was so busy, I decided to ask AI about dinner. And I had Italian sausage, I had a can of tomato sauce, I had zucchini fresh from the garden, mushrooms, and I thought, well, I know there's stuff I can make. And I asked ChatGPT for some advice and a recipe. And boy, was the dinner good. And then in the middle of figuring out what I had in my pantry, I found 3 almost overripe bananas. And I said, ooh, banana muffins. And that's what we made for tomorrow morning, was banana muffins, all with the help of ChatGPT. So if this has been of interest to you, please like, subscribe, share as I take you on my journey of 30 videos, 30 days, and my discoveries of AI and what I can share with you. Have a great day.